In today's video, we're going to be looking at stacks and how they can help you tidy up your desktop. In order to do this, we need to right-click an empty space of the desktop and click on Use Stacks. As you can see, I have these images and an HTML page and these folders scattered around my desktop. Once I click Use Stacks, it stacks all similar files, so images, into one stack, and once clicked they can open up. Now, it won't work with folders, but it's very helpful for if you have lots of images, videos, songs, or other files of the similar type on your desktop, as it stacks them together and gives it a nice clean look. Thanks for watching. Visit KazziCom.com for more information on IT support, cloud solutions, Office 365, and many more services.